Welcome! If you want to turn off Google Assistant option into a Nokia G50 5G, need to go into Google application, this one, and at the bottom we got more options, so click it and choose settings. Then choose Google Assistant, and here need to scroll down and find general option. This one, general. So go into, and here we got switcher. Now I got turn on this option, so click to switcher to turn off. Confirm operation one more time, turn off. And that's it. Now we turn off our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.